An Ohio law to get guns to victims extra quick tonight is under fire.
If someone files an emergency protection order under that law, they can immediately get a temporary concealed carry weapons permit.
Our Elise Coulter is live with both sides of this fight. Elise?
Jack and Deborah, the law was put into place 10 years ago when Ohio approved its concealed carry law, and since then it's been used less than 700 times in the entire state of Ohio. And while it's your right to carry a gun, some say it can add fuel to the fire in a domestic violence situation.
Okay, Charlie, nice and slow.
The right to bear arms is your constitutional right, but one Ohio gun law is now under fire. It allows victims of domestic violence or anyone in fear for their lives to get a temporary CCW permit.
The sheriff still has all of the other restrictions as far as no felonies, no violence convictions, and all of that, which would eliminate someone from getting the temporary license.
All that's needed for the temporary permit is an emergency protection order or signed affidavit saying the person fears for their life. No training required.
Training anytime you're going to be around or use firearms is a great idea, but however, requiring that for someone to keep themselves or their family alive is a hurdle that we shouldn't put in there.
To put a firearm in the hands of anyone without training, which is what this law talks about, is incredibly dangerous.
The temporary CCWs aren't given out all that often. In fact, in the past 4 years, Montgomery, Greene, and Miami counties have only handed out 5 each, while Clark has only given out 1.
There is no high or low number for it. People that feel an immediate need, they have that ability.
But if you don't know how to use it properly, that gun can be turned on you and used against you at any point in time.
Judy Sternad with Artemis Center says when there's a gun involved in a domestic violence situation, it's 5 times more likely to turn into murder.
For anyone to believe that obtaining a gun is going to keep them safer, they need to realize that it makes it more dangerous for them.
The temporary CCW is good for 90 days. After that, you have to take the 12 hours of training to get the full CCW permit or let it expire. For now, reporting in Dayton, Elise Coulter, Fox 45 News.